I lost 180 pounds. Let's start living life. This is life after weight loss.
Good morning. I got a little close to scissors last night before I went to pool. You know, bangs are a little short, but that's okay. I don't like when they're down, like banging on my glasses. Anyway, so it's going to be a humid day, and here I am with shorter hair. One of my coworkers, I had ordered some things that I didn't really need to order, and I was telling her about it Tuesday, I think. She said, "Are you manic?" And I'm like, She's like, "What other impulsive things have you done?" I'm like, "I think just that." And then we work in mental health, so we're always kind of like, "Oh, is that what's been going on all this time that we've known him?" Anyway, so when I come in today, and my hair is going to be cut shorter, it's only going to feed into her. Because see, she's the one that's going to nurse practitioner school. She's actually going to be a psychiatric provider, psychiatric nurse practitioner. So anyway, so I'm going to get there today, and she's going to be like, "Terry, I really feel like you should take XYZ, whatever." I'm a nurse. I don't know those kind of things. Anyway, so yeah, so I'll see if I can remember to let y'all know later if she tells me I need to go see my doctor and get on something or not. I do kind of have phases where it's like all of a sudden I'm like doing a bunch of impulsive stuff, but I don't have the drops, so I don't know. I don't care. I'm me, and I just am feeling good. So I wanted trim. I wanted some bangs. I wanted some fluff, and I just wanted some top volume. I'm an 80s girl, man. We didn't have this old flat hair, and my layers were getting too long, and I was looking flat-headed. And I'm just not about that flat hair life, even though I know it is looking flat, but it's a different kind of flat. Shut up. Just let me have this. Love y'all. Bye. My bestie, I'm going to see her Sunday. She's going to wring my neck. She's my hairdresser. Yeah. What did you do? Okay, anyway, surprise. Bye. I was looking in the bathroom. I'm like, I'm looking a little bit like Paul McCartney. I'm looking like a little bit Beatles era. Got that swoop going. Yeah, I'm feeling a little bit like Paul McCartney or Ringo Starr. Shut up. Shut it. Anyway, I was going to tell y'all something. Hang on, I'm going to pause till I remember what I was going to tell you. I can't remember. Honest engine. Honest. We used to say honest engine. I don't know what that meant, but we'd say honest engine. Anyway, yeah, I done forgot. I was mean to my friend, though. I texted her and said, "Oh, my nails, I'm on this health journey and with my nails and they're doing this, that, and the other." She texted me back, "Okay." I said, "Okay? What do you mean, okay?" I said, "I celebrate all your wins with you and all you send me is an okay." She called me. She's like, "Well, it's because I got this, and this going on, and so-and-so's in the hospital, and so-and-so, this, that, and the other." I'm like, "Girl, I was just messing with you." Anyway, why was I coming to tell you guys about? Let me just think a minute. I'll get back with you. I know. I was coming to tell you. I was coming to complain about the temperature. If I'm gonna come find y'all, I'm gonna complain about something. I mean, come on now. You better get it together. It's only 9:30. And I'm freezing my balls off. That's the problem. They're done froze off. I ain't got no balls. They done froze them off at work or the past. Well, no, I was about to say since I started. I started in 2011. I'm coming up on my 10-year thing. I think I got hired August 11th. Yeah, 8/11/11. So August 11th. Oh, I'll be out playing pool. It'll be while I'm in Vegas. Will be my 10-year anniversary. I think you get like a little bit of a bonus on your I know we used to for 5-year anniversary, and I think you get one like at the 5-year increments. All right, let's turn around. I think you get one on your 5-year increments, but I don't know if they still do it or not. It's been 5 years since I had one, so I don't know how that works anymore. Anyway, yeah, I just come out to whine about freezing my balls off. Wee, doggies. All right, well, that's all I know. I don't know much else. I know I love y'all, and you're important to me, and I value you, and I hope you have an amazing day. I'm going back inside. I'm going to put a jacket on. I got, like, these sleeves, so it's not even like, I ain't got sleeves on, and I have long jeans on. So it ain't even like I'm wearing crop pants or something. Yesterday I had cropped pants, but today I don't. Anyway, all right. I think I'm done whining for the moment. I'll see you at lunchtime. Hey, Jude, don't bring me down. I kind of give it a little part or something that makes it look a little less Paul McCartney-ish. Anyway, I've already been out to this car once. It's a rainy day, so we can't eat at the picnic table. Let me show you what I got. One of my coworkers brought in a tomato. So I cut it up, and I got everything bagel seasoning on it. Now, this is what we did last night. I got that rotisserie chicken. So this is the meat from the chicken thigh and the chicken, one chicken thigh and one chicken leg, and some veggies. Well, I want a piece of chicken. Come on, where you at there, fella? Let's see what we think. Y'all, look what I brought. You see what's in my hand? Oh, dang, that's too hot. Big spoon from home. Y'all, you ain't got to go out and buy those lean cuisines. You make yourself some at home for cheaper. Literally, rotisserie chicken, $6. You just hang on. I want another bite. Not today, Satan. There's a fly around here. You ain't getting my supper, my lunch. Anyway, all right, think about it. I can't tell if it's a bee or if it's a fly, but think about it. $6 for a rotisserie chicken, okay? And the bag of veggies, we're just going to say $3, okay? So my rotisserie for $6 was 4 meals. The veggies, if they're 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 plus 6, we're going to round up and say 20. Okay, $20. So 20 divided by 5, or 20 divided by 4 is 5, right? 5, 10, 15, 20. No. 20 divided by 4. 4, 8, 12, 16. Anyway, 20 divided by 4. So I guess that's what, about $6? Shut your mouth. Well, if 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah. 20 divided by 4 is 5, right? 5, 10, 15, 20. Yeah, 4. Not, listen, be quiet. So $5, okay? This whole thing right here, $5. $5 foot long. Anyway, so $5 for all that. That is way more than what you get whenever you get one of them little dinners from the frozen food section. We have cran raspberry. I'm not going to open it because I had a hard time carrying all this out. I forgot to bring out my lunchbox. I didn't forget. I got something else in it, and I didn't want to take it out and put it back. Just humor me. But anyway, yeah, $5, right? If you like chicken. If you don't, then bake up some burgers. But yeah, so $5 for a full meal. That is nice. Guarantee you can't go to McDonald's for that. And just think how healthy this is. Raw veggies, so there isn't all that added stuff. It was the unseasoned veggies, so you don't have any stuff added that you don't know what it is. Well, no, I lied. The rotisserie chicken, it had stuff added, so you might know what that is, but listen, if other seasonings or whatever it is listed as is what takes me out, then I think that's all right. But yeah, so $5. So think on it. If you're watching the budget, now that ain't $5 a day. Although, get your rotisserie chicken, just the rotisserie chicken, and that's $6 a day. So you could eat that. But anyway, I ain't about that life. I love y'all, and I'm gonna go eat. Bye. Oh my gosh, it's looking more 70s now. It's got some curl in it. Anyway, I gotta tell you, it's funny but not funny. Work, we got this new toilet paper. You know, I thought the old toilet paper was John Wayne toilet paper, and it was that John Wayne toilet paper, tough as nails and don't take off nobody. Well, now what we have is like college ruled notebook paper. I mean, it is even stiffer than this. It is so bad. Drives me up a wall. It's like stiff, and I'm like, my poor lady bits are like, oh. I'm glad I have my toilet paper, because if I have to have a movement, doggies, if I have to have a movement, it's going to be bad news bears for me. All right. I love y'all. Bye. I know I share too much, but that's all right. When you decided to subscribe to my channel, and when you decided to be my friend, I'm going to treat you like my friend. I'm going to talk to you like I talk to my friends. Yes, I will. Bye. Well, Suzanne said I'm okay. She didn't, because she didn't even really notice that I had cut my hair. So, anyway, she said, now if you'd have cut it all off or something after you've been talking about trying to grow it out, then we'd have a talk. Anyway, so I'm home. Gonna be just a regular weekend. I don't have to cut up veggies because I've got them cut up from last week. So I'll just be doing like my creamies and my gelatin, and we got storms coming. At 6, it's 4:50. Set her between 6 and then with lightning and thunder, and then again at midnight. So I medicated the pups. I don't always medicate them because sometimes I don't even know what's happening. But I caught it this time. It just looks hazy out there. I come home and my neighbor, I see smoke coming out of between a couple houses, and I took me and Sammy. We went out of the back fence gate, and I was a holler, and I'm like, Tracy. She's like, yeah. I'm like, are you out there burning something? She said, yeah. I'm like, okay. I think they're burning boxes or something. I'm like, that's okay with me. I'm just making sure, it's not somebody's house on fire. It wasn't. Tonight, pecan sticky bun. Good stuff. Okay, I got a little excited with my cabbage. It's a little bit more than usual. I do recognize that, but I ain't sweating it because it's cabbage, extra cabbage. Okay, cabbage ain't gonna kill me. It might kill the dogs from having to smell what's coming out of me, but yeah. What you doing, Callie? What's wrong, girl? I think she might be a little stressed. She can always tell when the storms are coming. So my boss, my bass, it's cabbage, onions. I got a boiled egg. This is the last one. It was a package of 2.
So cabbage, onions, peppers, rutabaga, tomatoes, and underneath is some rotisserie chicken. So, I did okay at work today. I say that because I ate my lunch. I think I started, it was like 10:45, but I talk with y'all and then I go inside and I work and eat, so I didn't get done till like 11:15, 11:30 anyway. And around 2, I was like peckish. So I ate my gelatin, my frozen gelatin. So that's what I know. I bought some nail polish remover. It's the kind that has a little sponge. And I bought a little crystal, not a file, but it's a glass cuticle pusher. So there's a stick and a glass pusher. So I can't really show you because, I mean, I can show that to you. But I can't show you how it works because I got polish on. But what you do is you put cuticle remover on your back of your nails. And then this has, these guys think it's FOOD. And then this has a little side that's slanted that you go, it's rough. So I'm gonna pretend that's the cuticle. So you kind of work around and you do that along your cuticle. Just kind of work them, push them back. And then you can scrub them off. And this side's a little rough too. That's the pointy side. So anyway, yeah, that's what I know. I'm gonna eat and I'm gonna hang out with the pupper dogs. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.